Welcome to our video on the top 5 tools for beginners to make money online. In today's digital age, more and more people are looking for ways to earn a living from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're a freelancer, a stay-at-home parent, or simply want to supplement your income, these tools can help you get started on your online money-making journey. The first tool on our list is e-commerce platforms. With the rise of online shopping, creating your own online store has become easier than ever. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce provide user-friendly interfaces that allow you to set up and customize your store with just a few clicks. These platforms also offer a range of features such as secure payment gateways, inventory management, and marketing tools to help you grow your business. Next up, we have affiliate marketing networks. If you have a blog or a social media following, you can earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale you generate. Networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale connect you with a wide range of affiliate programs and provide you with unique tracking links to ensure you receive credit for your referrals. Another tool that can help beginners make money online is participating in online surveys and market research studies. Companies are constantly looking for feedback and insights from consumers, and they are willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Junkie, and UserTesting offer opportunities to earn cash or gift cards by simply sharing your opinions or testing products and websites. If you have a specific skill set, freelancing platforms can be a great way to make money online. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and showcase your expertise in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance. Clients post projects and freelancers bid on them, giving you the opportunity to work on projects that match your skills and interests. Last but not least, online course platforms can provide a lucrative way for beginners to make money online. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell your own online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera give you the tools and resources to create high-quality courses and reach a global audience. With the increasing demand for online learning, this can be a highly profitable venture. So there you have it, the top 5 tools for beginners to make money online. Whether you choose e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online surveys, freelancing, or online courses, remember that success takes time and effort. Stay consistent, keep learning, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals in no time.